Mushroom, spinach, capsicum, vegan omelette. Prepare the ingredients. In a blender, place 150 grams of silken tofu, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of soy milk, and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Add a pinch of salt to taste and puree. Thinly slice 1/4 of a red capsicum. Thinly slice half a large mushroom or 2 small mushrooms. Heat a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Add the tofu and spread the batter. Place the red capsicum on top. Place the mushrooms on top and place the spinach on top. Cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on a low heat. After cooking for 5 minutes, remove the lid, turn up the heat. With a spatula, fold half the omelette and serve.